everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in today's video, we are at the front of the store of the Dollar Tree, and yes, this is all back to school stuff. So I figured I'd go ahead and cover it in this video, so come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? And clicking the like button and for watching the video and also sharing the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying my content. Now, I have a main channel called the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I would love for you to head on over there. I have a feeling you're going to enjoy my content there. I do a lot more collaborations there. I do a lot more tablescapes and home decor. Now, I also have another channel called Moments of Grace, and I would love for you to head on there. You will see my Bible school journey from Charis Bible College, my graduation, my missions trip, and also my continuing education that's coming up this year. Very, very exciting. I just started the channel, so I can certainly use your support. I'm absolutely loving those marbleized lavender color clipboard and folders. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And even the iridescent in that lavender color, because it's really calling my attention. Beautiful things, guys, this year for back to school. So you might want to stop there first before going somewhere else. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed taking you shopping with me. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.